When a token is showing monitoring on Binance, what does it mean? And whether or not you should invest in it, I'm going to tell you all of that in this video, so stay tuned. Now, if you go on your Binance right here, there are several tokens in several categories, right? Now, let me click on one of it, which is this particular one right here. You could see the monitoring tag. Now, most people don't understand what, let me use this arrow. Most people don't understand what this monitoring tag means, since they are seeing AI, they are seeing infrastructure, they are seeing music and different areas. They don't really get what this monitoring tag means. If you click on the monitoring tags, you will see several other cryptos within that categories. You try to run away from them as much as possible. These tokens, these monitoring tags means that these tokens are under surveillance, or they are very likely to be delisted. They have faulted one or two Binance rules and regulation, and they are being watched for the next few months, pending when Binance will announce the next set of the listing. So they are likely to be delisted. So take a look at each of their price. You see that they've been way down. They've fallen so badly that beyond recovery. They've fallen almost beyond recovery. I know in crypto anything is possible. Most tokens, most cryptos is actually recoverable depending on the play, the current team play. All right, but check out majority of these tokens within this monitoring category, they are beyond recovery.